We've all seen that dreaded check engine light, a stark reminder that something might be amiss under the hood. But what about the unsung heroes of your vehicle, the sensors working tirelessly in the background, not to keep your engine running, but to elevate your comfort and safety, often without you even realizing it? Today, we're diving beyond the powertrain, past the critical sensors that manage your engine's combustion and emissions. We're exploring the hidden world of environmental sensors, those ingenious devices that monitor everything from the air around your car to the light striking its windshield, fundamentally changing your driving experience. Let's start with the humble yet crucial ambient temperature sensor. Often tucked away behind your front bumper or in a side mirror, this sensor does exactly what its name suggests. It measures the outside air temperature. It's not just for displaying the temperature on your dashboard. Its data is vital for a multitude of systems. This external temperature reading heavily influences your car's climate control system. It tells the HVAC system whether to blow hot or cold air, and how aggressively to reach your desired cabin temperature. It also plays a role in automatic defrosting, helping to clear your windows efficiently, and can even inform battery management systems in electric vehicles, ensuring optimal charging and discharge in extreme temperatures. Next up is the rain sensor, a marvel of modern convenience. Typically mounted on the inside of the windshield, usually near the rearview mirror, this sensor uses infrared light-emitting diodes and photodiodes. When rain droplets land on the glass, they scatter the infrared light differently than a dry surface, allowing the sensor to detect their presence. The magic of the rain sensor lies in its ability to automatically activate and adjust your windshield wipers. No more fumbling with intermittent settings. The wipers will sweep precisely when needed, and at the appropriate speed, enhancing visibility and reducing driver distraction. In some vehicles, it can even trigger automatic headlights or close sunroofs and windows when rain is detected. Then there are the light sensors, also known as photocells. These are often integrated into the dashboard or near the windshield. Their primary job is to detect the intensity of ambient light, both outside the vehicle and, in some cases, inside the cabin. They continuously monitor how bright or dark it is around your car. The impact of light sensors is broad, contributing significantly to both safety and convenience. They are responsible for automatically switching on your headlights and taillights as dusk approaches or when you enter a tunnel, ensuring you remain visible to others. Inside, they regulate the brightness of your dashboard illumination and infotainment screens, preventing glare at night and ensuring readability during the day. Moving to an often overlooked guardian of your health, the air quality sensor. Usually located near the cabin air intake, this sensor is designed to detect harmful gases, pollutants, and even unpleasant odors in the outside air before they enter your vehicle's interior. When the air quality sensor detects elevated levels of exhaust fumes, industrial pollutants, or strong smells, it triggers your car's climate control system to automatically switch to recirculation mode. This closes the outside air intake, preventing contaminated air from entering the cabin and instead circulates the already filtered air inside, often working in conjunction with advanced cabin air filtration systems for a healthier environment. What's truly remarkable is how these individual sensors don't operate in isolation. They form a sophisticated network, often communicating with each other and the car's central control units to create a cohesive, adaptive driving environment. For instance, a light sensor detecting darkness combined with a rain sensor detecting precipitation might tell the system to not only turn on wipers and headlights, but also activate fog lights. The collective impact of these environmental sensors on both comfort and safety cannot be overstated. They reduce driver workload, allowing you to focus more on the road. They enhance visibility in adverse conditions, protect your health by monitoring cabin air, and make everyday commutes smoother and more pleasant, all without requiring direct intervention. They are the silent sentinels working tirelessly to anticipate your needs. While generally robust, these sensors can sometimes encounter issues. A blocked rain sensor might lead to erratic wiper behavior, or a faulty ambient temperature sensor could cause your climate control to act up. Keeping your windshield clean is crucial for rain and light sensor functionality, and regular cabin air filter replacement helps the air quality system perform optimally. So, the next time you drive, take a moment to appreciate the intricate dance of technology happening all around you. Beyond the engine's roar and the warning lights, a hidden world of environmental sensors is constantly working, making your journey safer, more comfortable, and simply more enjoyable. They truly are the unsung heroes of modern automotive design,